In this video, you'll learn how to effectively utilize Notion AI to streamline the process of writing emails and reports. By the end of this guide, you will be able to create well-structured content with the help of AI assistants. Begin by navigating to the Notion website and logging into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, open a blank page or select an existing page where you wish to write. Before proceeding, ensure the Notion AI is enabled on your account. This step is essential as it prepares the environment for your writing tasks. After the page is open, you can decide on the type of content you need, whether it is an email or a report. Notion AI operates within the pages you create, allowing for a seamless writing experience. Knowing what you want to write will help you effectively utilize the AI features. Next, you will need to use Notion AI commands to generate your content. Type in a prompt that clearly states what you would like the AI to draft. For instance, you can ask Notion AI to create a draft email or a report outline. Providing context and specifying your tone preferences will enhance the quality of the generated text. Once you submit your request, review the content generated by the AI carefully. It is important to edit the generated text as needed, ensuring that it meets your requirements. Check for any areas that may need refinement or additional information. This editing process is crucial for producing clear and effective communication. After you have finalized the wording and made any necessary adjustments to the formatting, save your document to secure your work. You may also want to share or export the content based on your needs. This final step completes the writing process, allowing you to utilize the content you have created. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.